happens. There are videos already about this. Probability. And this is from the final practice, number 6. And we wanted to know the probability of, I think it was a male or a bee, ASCAR. All of the recordings can be found in the YouTube list, which is listed on the syllabus, and it's listed under course information. And that YouTube playlist starts off in order pre-recorded videos of the way we covered things each week. And then down toward the end, after the central limit theorem stuff, then come all of the recordings I've done in these online office hours. And so then there's a whole bunch after that. It's just kind of poke around, look for the one you want. And usually when you click on one, there's more information about what's in that video in the description underneath. Okay. Down here, just a little more information. Okay, so back here, let's see, male or a C, okay. So probability that a randomly selected student is male or got a C. So we need to figure out, so again, probability is always just favorable over total. And the total in this case, since they don't give me any other information, is just the 60 given here. So that's my denominator here. And then I'm interested in male students, there's 29 of those. And students that got a C, there's 22, but careful, there's that overlap of 13 there. Okay, so this 29 already counts that 13, so really I'm just missing this extra 9. So I think here I need the total males plus the extra 9 that got the C, because I need male or C. So that's one way to get the answer. So 29 plus 9 should be 38 out of 60. And then this question may accept fractions. Yeah, so I could just enter the fraction here. So, oops, wrong one. So this would just be 38 over 60. There was a formula given in the book for this. And the formula went like the probability of event A happening or event B happening is the probability of event A plus the probability of event B plus the probability that they both happen. So that would be A and B. So that would be like taking the 29, adding the 22, and then subtracting that overlap of 13. We'll still get 38 in the end. So that would be 29 out of 60 plus 22 out of 60 minus, we double counted that 13 out of 60, which still leads to that 38. And then just I think the next one there is usually tricky for people, so I want to probably do that. Yeah. So this is kind of like what a p-value is. It's the probability of one thing happen given something else happen. It's also like false positive or false negative is one of those given probabilities. So once we're given some extra information, that totally changes the playing field. So I want the probability that a student was female given they got a C. So I'll write that out in words and in symbols. And I need this again. All right, so in symbols, I was asked to find the probability, no, I forgot. Female, given they got a C, okay. Probability of being female, given they got a C. Sometimes instead of given, we say knowing. So in this case, that is my new denominator, the C's. So I'm only going to focus on this column here. So my new denominator is 22, and then I just want to know how many females of those 22 were C's. So that's the probability that a female got a C. So the female C's over the C's would be the answer to that one. Okay, next question, number 17, p-value. And let's break up the recording now so I don't have to do it later.